Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ross of Stammer.ai, and today I'm going to be showing you an update that we just pushed, which allows you now to create unlimited subscription packages for your clients. This is a new feature for the agency plan and the full SaaS mode plan. And if you go inside your SaaS configurator, you can now create essentially unlimited packages to sell to your clients. This gives you the ability to create one-off packages and also create exclusive packages that you can set up so that they're not shown to your users. And so here's an example of what that might look like, an exclusive package. And so the way that you can do this is if you just click create new package, you have the option to select your basic, pro, or premium tiers, but now you have the option to show package to sub accounts. Now, if this option is selected, your plan will show up to your clients as normal, as like a normal plan. But if it's unchecked like this, then it will not be shown to users inside their dashboard. The only way that people will be able to access it is through the actual link itself. So this is how it'd show up to users. If I have one plan that is unchecked and I have one other plan that is checked, I just need to go into a sub account. So let's go into a sub account. And if I click on the subscription, so this is what a user would see. You can see that there's only one thing that they can see, when in reality, there's multiple different packages that I have. They're just only able to see this one. And so this way you can create these exclusive packages to sell to specific clients and or show specific packages to everybody that signs up as a free trial for your white label version of Stammer. Everything else is the exact same. It just now shows up in a new way. This is now a live feature, again, for agency tier and full SaaS mode plan users. Let me know if you guys have any questions on this, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.